My first shiny Galarian Birds pop is gonna be a 3, 2, 1. Let's do this. Let's see if we can get the bird. Launcher? Not a shiny. Alright, that one caught. I really hope we can get the bird. Because it would mean everything for me if I could actually be able to like spawn. Maybe not a shiny, or maybe a bird. Alright. Bioton with absolute shit out of this. Sure. I have a ton of Ultra Balls and I have a bunch of gold berries, so I should be fine in case it pops up. I'm trying to grab it. Okay. Because I guess either. Alright. Should we let's just give me a Zapdos. Can I check his one? Not a shiny one. Shiny? Not a shiny. Alright. I really hope, as I said, I really hope we get the shiny. These are probably going to be one of my most wanted shinies on the list. Like, at all. As soon as I saw the announcement, I was going insane from it. Alright. That's a Wailmer. Probably not a shiny. Wouldn't be cool though. Let's see here. There's something interesting in the nearby, really. So like, we should take the advantage of just what do we do? Oh, we need that. Maybe I should have waited after the Incense to collect that. Frick. But I won't complete the not a handle clay. That's an interesting new thing. I don't think I've ever seen one from the daily Incense. But I'm not entirely sure. I've seen a lot of things come from the daily Incense. Not a good one too. Furfro. Not a shiny. Ah, dang it. So far I've been first trying a lot of these, which is really good. Yeah, now we need Absol. Not a shiny. Let's feel. Non-shiny maybe. These are probably boosted. That one wasn't shiny, too bad. I really want to shiny up anything today. I failed with shiny Sama Santa. Didn't pull up a shiny this time. What am I? hopefully we get something. I just need an Absol. There's a Summer Scent over there. There's a. He's doing the Situate back notes. That's really interesting. Are you shiny? Apparently these have become shiny boosted. I would really like to see a shiny Shinx. I didn't get one during Scimitar, so I think it would be amazing if I could pull up a shiny during this event. So yeah. Are you shiny? Not shiny. Shiny Fungus and Incense? No. I will never. It's not even a hundo either. Shiny. Still haven't found a shiny Jinx yet. Let's see here. We're gonna turn past and go along the highway. And Sudowoodo. Not shiny. Too bad. I think having a 100% catch guarantee on everything so far is really good. I was almost on now though. Alright, let's walk along here. If I were with a bunch of people, would have done the Summer Center, but now that I'm just gonna skip it. That's an Absol. In fact, the fact that I needed it for the collection challenge is kind of good though. So we'll take it. I will collect the collection challenge, just final reward as we do complete the as soon as the incense is done. And yes, that's 49 challenges done. That's quite a lot for me. I'm up to 6.3 million XP out of 9 million. But then no, don't escape. Dang it. We couldn't catch that one. Shit. If it bothers the sound, it's because, yes, I'm walking next to a highway, so like all sounds are being picked up right now. Yeah. Let's see here. We are at not really good. Let's see here. It doesn't seem like these odds were increased of the birds. Has a bell though, not a shiny. Any Beldum whatsoever. No. Something else spawned. I don't know if it is a insect spawn or something else. I knew the Denny chance. And I knew another ruler chance. Nothing shiny. Shiny Pumpkaboo? Nope. That's a regular old Pumpkaboo. Yep. We seem to be having an awful luck with all of these things. Like, I'm just gonna check you. You are considered rare spawn, so nope. Wait, what just spawned? Oh, cutie fly. If that lag would have caused a bird to spawn, I would have gone insane. Let's see here. What should we do? Just gonna follow the way here. No shiny Jinx. What about you? No shiny Tailo. That's a Shinx. Nope. No shiny Stunky. No shiny really want to have if I. Come on. None of you were shiny. Not even Squawlet kind of shiny for me. That's kinda rip, I guess. I really want the shiny Squawlet because I got shiny Wooloo unexpectedly fast. That was a 98, but like, yeah. I don't keep 98. I only keep hundos, nandos, and shadows. Come on, 3 minutes left. Wait, chat. Do I pause it? Do I pause the daily incense for a bit? Well, not frick it, we'll do it. We're doing it. How long? 20 more minutes. I'm not risking anything. Here. A tiny bit more Stardust. Yeah, that one broke free. I'm not surprised at all. Daru is thank Come on. Yeah, I think that one disappeared because in case it would spawn a bird inside, we have problems. It would not have been funny. Shiny Titanic was non-existent this time. Voltorb doesn't exist shiny for us. I mean it does, but I didn't get it. Wait, what else spawned? Shellos? This one I already have the shiny of, so could be okay if I didn't get the shiny. No Abracato. No shiny Abra. I mean... And two buddy. That's gonna be a really hard task for me since I have Mewtwo as my buddy. I'm gonna let that one be there, just for it to wipe until I complete it automatically without even thinking about it. I saw the blue and I thought it was already Cuno. Oh, let's see. Another shiny. That's another shiny I have. I mean, I want all the shinies. I don't know what shinies I have, of course. Windy weather though. I should have waited for windy weather. Would have been optimal. Why do you have Blaziken? I have it evolved because I wanted to register the Mega after getting it. I don't want this yet. Oh, bank. Not a second version, a little bit. Hey, hey. Hey, let's see here if we can get. Come on, give us a bird. I don't even care if it's shiny, I just want the bird. Let's see here. Bellum. Another non-shiny iron. I cannot add that to the Mega Collection. God dang it. Oh, Shimeko, please. Oh, that really is insanely cool shiny to get. I really do want to get it, although it will give me a ton of Stardust. Unless it runs away. And now I realize I should have just used Great Balls. But no, it doesn't matter because I got it. Oh, thank God I got it. Come on. Let me just skip this one. No shiny. No shiny. Once again, not shiny. Why is this always? Come on. Just get caught. Just get caught or just don't get caught. Just, if you don't want to get caught, just run away from me. Or you just be caught as I say it. Ah, dang it. Not a Bellum. Not a shiny. Mankey, not shiny. I feel like every time I do. There's still a chance. There's still a chance we might get it. There's way too many errands out here. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Come on, I won't pause it anymore. not even a shiny will pop up for me. Come on. It's the last minute of the incense. Can you offer me a bird, please? I belled him. Not even a shiny one. I don't think we're getting a bird of this incense. Come on. No, we didn't. Stay. We have one more chance. We might have one more chance to spawn a bird. Come on. Let's do it. Let's spawn it. It's a wooloo. Oh, it's not a shiny. I'll take it. And that's whole incense. We got 41 Pokemon, which is a pretty good amount. Tons of errands. Thank you all for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe for the next one, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another attempt for shiny Galarian Birds. See y'all.